wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again! We're doing our sing-along songs.
Yay, sing-alongs. Do you guys like sing-alongs?
I do.
Yeah, I do too. I really do.
And we're here to teach you the sing-along songs that we've been doing too.
Yeah. And do you guys have any idea what song we're doing? There's
I know.
Wait. Let them guess.
Kids,
Here's a
do you
hint.
know?
Can you see? Wait, give him another hint. Make the sound.
Oh, moo.
Yeah, moo.
Or oink, oink, oink. Or quack, quack, quack.
Or ba.
Ba, ba, ba. Or
Yeah.
woof, woof, woof. Woof, 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 woof. Ha!
Yeah?
Can you guess it now?
Oh, I think they guessed it.
It's Old MacDonald had a farm!
Yeah, yay, Old MacDonald!
Yeah, and we're gonna sing it together with you. How about that?
Yeah, I think that's a really good idea. But
And we'll teach it to you too.
yeah, I think we should start with maybe telling them the animal sounds. What do you think?
Oh, where are you?
I'm up front.
There you are.
Sorry.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I was looking
Yeah.
here, and then I was looking
and
there,
here,
and then there.
Here.
Oh.
Oh, look.
Oh.
Hi, kids. I'm a puppet show.
Hi, kids.
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo. Okay. Should we teach them the sounds that animals make?
Oh yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Okay.
So we're gonna do Old MacDonald had a farm with a cow, which goes
Cow. Moo.
moo. And then we're going to do the next one is a pig.
Pigs. Oink, 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 oink. Oh, and then they roll in the mud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then after that we're gonna do a duck, which
Quack.
goes
Quack, 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 quack.
exactly.
Quack.
And then after that is a horse.
Ooh, neigh. Neigh.
Is that a horse?
Yeah.
Okay.
Neigh.
And then after that we're gonna do a sheep.
Sheep. Ba. Ba. Ba.
And then after the sheep, we'll do a chicken.
Oh, quack, quack. Wait.
No,
Wait.
that's...
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Is it clack, clack, clack?
I don't know. I guess I do cluck. Do you do clack?
I think so.
Okay, let's do clack.
Okay, clack, clack,
Clack,
clack.
clack, clack.
So, see, farm animals, all of them.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then, because a farmer also has a dog, we're gonna do a dog.
Dog. Roof, roof, roof. Roof,
Yep.
roof, roof. Yeah.
So,
Wow.
how about we start our song?
Well,
Are you ready?
Wait. I don't think they know the lines yet. They don't know the lines.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
So this is how it goes. Do you want to start us
yeah.
off?
So, Old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
Yeah, because this is his farm, so that's how you remember. It's Old MacDonald's farm. So
Yep.
Old MacDonald had a farm,
E-I-E-I-O.
and on his farm he had a
Cow.
cow
E-I-E-I-O.
with a
Moo moo there.
and a moo moo there. Here a moo,
There a moo.
everywhere a
Moo moo.
Old MacDonald.
Had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Cool. So yeah, that's how we do it. So basically, we'll repeat that for every single animal.
Exactly.
Yeah, and if you guys don't remember which animal, you guys can just look at our little puppets up here, and then you'll be able to tell which animal.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, kids, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. So let's do 1, 2, 3.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O.
with an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
And then, next one is
A duck!
a duck.
Old
MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And then after the duck comes the lamb.
Lamb!
Or the sheep.
The sheep. Lamb. Lamb, sheep. Okay.
What are we doing, lamb or
Lamb.
sheep? Sheep.
Sheep.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Woo!
And then, after that comes which one? We do the horse.
The horse.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a horse. E-I-E-I-O.
With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
All right.
And then we go with the chickens.
Chicken!
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken. E-I-E-I-O. With a clack clack here and a clack clack there. Here a clack, there a clack, everywhere a clack clack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Woo!
And then
And
the
then,
last final one, my favorite.
yay!
A dog.
A dog. Roof.
Woof.
Roof.
Okay.
Okay.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog. E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a roof, there a roof, everywhere a roof roof. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Woo! Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I had a great time.
Yeah.
Did you guys?
Kids, did you learn how that song works?
Yeah.
Well, if not, we're gonna let it play for you one more time, okay?
Yeah. Have fun, kids.
Have fun, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a ruff here and a ruff there. Here a ruff, there a ruff, everywhere a ruff. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!